Watch. Introducing once again. The world, it's not a plan. You know it's franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. Watch. I know I come to represent the dancehall to the fullest. Watch. Right now, if you go up on the internet, and watch, all videos, a dancehall, and all videos, a man will post up them video and them status and them stuff or them thing where them a talk about dancehall. All of them. And me not say nothing. Them not have no script for talk about. The whole of them are followers. The only thing them come on the net come do, I repeat what them hear man say and say it in a total different manner. You know what I mean? And act like a for them thing. But they don't know. We don't really come to talk about that and thing. But you see the boy on CNN TV or whatever TV you want to call it. Let me tell you this, you. When you come and talk, you get your viewers them dog. Take your look of viewers them and don't come on the thing with no form hypocritical shit. Like say you want to use that to get your hype. You're not going to get no hype off of that, my virgin. Me can tell you that. Because we are talking about a fuckery. You see me? Because you are talking about when Vybz Kartel do tune off for alkaline. I say, oh, him say Kartel want a hype. Oh, Kartel for want a hype off of alkaline. And that me see you publish. Oh, Kartel for want a hype off of alkaline. Alkaline they ever gone 5 years in the business. Alkaline have 5 years what a catalog. Where you talk about, boy? You know how long Vybz Kartel in the business? You know how much song Vybz Kartel have? Let me tell you something. Alkaline they ever big like popcorn. That me I tell you. You fi know that. My virgin. You think some song where you hear Jamaica way and talk about how much song Alkaline have on the Billboard chart. Dog, chill dog, I know what like a stupid man. Cause I bash Alkaline, cause I'm a good artist. You know what I mean? A good artist pan plastic. When you hear him tune it nice, it wicked and another joke thing. But me just say, straighten up your arguments, yo. And foota hype now, me tell you something now, foota hype. I don't want you come on the thing and I talk good, but my general Rodney Price. And when you talk good, in the end of your fucking thing where you deal with, you want to talk bad about the man. You sound contrary. I sound like a look at argument, you look at problem you want. Me don't know. You sound contrary, my virgin. Because you say everything good about the man. You talk about the man. The man dress wicked. You talk about the man perform wicked. You talk about how masicka must wash the man foot because to the man bring him up and to him come deliver and to the whole aspect of the man thing. You talk about. And you say good and nice. Then you go to talk about, you know, say IRA or whatever. You don't have to know things before you talk, dog. They are Canada or him for their son first. You can't know what something, you have to know things before you talk. When you're in an alliance, dog, no at all alliance go bounty ever left you yet, dog. Which part bounty ever left you? The bounty now left you, man, left IRA. Come on, man, cut out your fucker, man, and cut out them little stupidity the way you go out like you look. You fatigue the general or you look a problem. You say something good, then you say something contrary. Come on, man. Chill, dog. And let me tell you something. Leave the youth named Masicka alone, my virgin. Because if you watch your performance, go watch your performance, man. The man perform with him heart. You can see it, him belly in it. Look on him performance. At the first you ever see him run up and down and all that go on, so. Him feel it. What if you do I encourage a man more? I don't know where you have against him. I'm a good artist. Wicked lyricist though. You know what I mean? And where the boy on CNN TV must tell Alkaline since him love Alkaline so much. Because I'll tell you something. Let me tell you something. The only problem with Alkaline right now is anytime Alkaline have the comfort on the mic in front of the audience on the stage like how him have it in the studio or how him song sound on the radio or even sound on record, anytime him can match up that on the stage with him delivery and him need some more body language, anytime him can master them thing there, you know what I mean? Him gonna have the whole place shut. Because to the song them with Alkaline have youth, if you know that, him not supposed to lose no farmer credit, no farmer man take no sunfest over him to the song them where him have. If him know how to deliver them song there where him have, him tear sunfest apart. So at that time problem, and at that you know for make him know, you know what I mean? You see me, Tommy Lee don't have that problem. Him learn the shortcut on the stage long time. And right now him have a wicked song, so that make him so wicked. So it don't even matter, even if him did perform before Alkaline, he would have give a different performance and wicked it up said way. Watch. You hear that? And let me tell you something now, foota hype. Me hear you jump on aidonia because it look like you eat masicka so much. And I say aidonia. You should have put some boy in them place, and you should have this, and you should have that. And I know the youth you talk about. Let me tell you something, my virgin. When aidonia, I say send down the helicopter, you know it's me. I did it down. You want to see him. So now come with the bandwagon and shit. I move all the thing you rise them time there. I move all the you rise. I never aidonia they dead at them time there. When aidonia come and sting, when him and scatter burl in the look affliction and aidonia come and sting in him white suit and him walking stick and dead and I chop some tune off a scatter and them shit there. The whole I wanna stand up on the man. And me and my friend them light up the whole of blood clot Jamural with fire and jump for Diddy. So nobody come talk nothing. Cause we bring Diddy from gangbang days. Cause Stein am an artist up to now. And enough of uno selector and promoter and producer boy and stifle them wicked artists there. And enough boy where they up on the forefront, nav lyrics like them youth there. And I don't know joke me I make. A whole lot of know that. You see me, I saw no stifle youth in a dance hall. Ease up half a massacre, my brethren. Ease up half a massacre. You know what I mean? The youth not do nothing, bunt it done, can't come upon the thing, him work good. Him work with him hard. If you don't want to give him the credit because you think him is not alone, him come off a killer strength. Okay, wait till when you see him next time you talk and see how him look. You know what I mean? But ease up half of the man now. Straight. I mean, I want you to talk nothing about Diddy. You know what I mean? Because when Diddy that look for the glory and him want the rise, when you never ask Clark call him name. A gully you say. And a gully got to rise up. Remember, you rise them, they never stop blast it out in the street. You know what I mean? And things till public. I never did it, cause so I don't know why when did he now put himself on this level now, when him there now, the whole of go bandwagon this and I tell him for send for this and for that. Did he make me tell you something, did he? Don't follow them, my general. You hear that? Don't follow them. You know what I mean? Just go and do your thing, the way how you do it, and the way how it work for you, my brethren. Just go and deal with it. Because a long time you're bad. I make me tell you something, did it. You see them rascal lyrics the way you have. Just go and flip them over the way how you flip them now. Because them sound wicked and nice. It sound versatile, my brethren. You hear me I say? And it sound like a one of a kind, like a brand new thing. When I can't believe it. Tell them don't ever try because them just can't do it. Watch. General. 10 star, and me I represent for dancehall, because you know anytime we come with a straight shooter, we not deal with the lollipop thing. Some boy if you know a Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing, and don't ever watch the color, because some boy can't punk this. And let me tell you something, them have to understand how we make it. You hear that? Our style we use and set it. Watch. Big up the 5-star General Bounty Killer, or the General, the 10-star one. What?